Alright, this is DG Distributions with another do-it-yourself detailing solution. This is a 1936 Chevy grille emblem, and we're doing the decals for that. I'll show you how easy and quick it is. Quickly and easily you can get this done. You're going to line up the edges on the decal. One side. You can use an X-Acto knife or you can use your fingers. It's up to you. They're exact fit, so if they're off on one edge or another when you're putting them on is if you did not line it up like I just said. So you got to line up the edges. Like right now I'm going to line up this edge, and it's going to fall right into place. Quickly and easily detail your emblems. DG Distributions, we have many to choose from. You can go on eBay, you can message us direct and go through PayPal. Line up the edge. You're going to be applying these to a cool, to the touch emblem. Clean, dry obviously. These are not water decals, these are industrial vinyl, long lasting, color fast. As you're guiding it along, do not stretch it. Gently hold it in your hands. And these decals are exact fit. No need to cut anything. Next part, we're going to do the inserts. This goes to the top. This insert, you're going to just lay it down. It's going to fit right in. Remember, clean emblem, dry to the touch. Excuse me, cool to the touch, not a hot emblem. If you're going to put this on with your card's been sitting in the sun, it's not going to work out for you. As you can see, everything fits right into place. Now, for the fun part, you remove from right to left very slowly. Take it off the backing, as to not to stretch anything. At this point, it's very, very thin. And what you're going to do is you're going to guide it along to the letters, and once you've got it onto the letters, you've got it guided correctly, it's going to fall right into place. You can remove your X-Acto knife, your finger, whatever you're using, toothpick, and as you can see, it fits right into place. You see all the detailing. You're going to insert the O, and you're done. DG Distributions, find us on eBay under DG Distributions. Message us direct for PayPal. Detailing solutions done.